In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a business in Wave Accounting. Whether you're moving on to a new venture or simply tidying up your account, deleting a business you no longer need can be a straightforward process. Let's make sure you get it right the first time. First, open Wave Accounting and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see your business name displayed there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to a variety of options. From this drop-down menu, you're going to want to select Business Settings. Clicking on Business Settings will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your business account. Now, here's where you need to pay close attention. Look towards the very bottom of the navigation sidebar menu on the left side of the screen. There, you'll find the option to Archive Business. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click Archive Business, a warning dialog layout box will pop up on your screen. This is an important step, so take a moment to read through the warning carefully. Wave is letting you know that by proceeding, you will completely hide the business profile and disable all live automations associated with it. This includes any recurring invoicing or live bank feeds you might have set up. It's crucial to understand that this action is irreversible in terms of visibility and automation. Once you've reviewed the warning and you're sure you want to proceed, you'll need to confirm the prompt. This is your final chance to double-check that you're ready to archive the business. If everything looks good and you're confident in your decision, go ahead and click the Final Archive button. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a business in Wave Accounting. It's a straightforward process, but it's always best to proceed with caution, especially if there are any active processes tied to that business. If you ever need to revisit this business, remember that while its profile is hidden, some data might still be retrievable through Wave's support, depending on their policies. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your finances efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.